Why humans chase shiny stock like tribe chase fireflies. Sit close to fire, no blink, or wisdom fly away. Long ago, tribe see glowing bug in dark forest. When cavemen run, whole tribe follow. They trip, fall, eat dirt. Bug, just bug, no meat, empty belly. Today, same brain but shiny bug turn into stock ticker. GameStop, Dogecoin, Tesla options, meme coin, shaped like Shiba Inu. Humans still chase glow, forget belly. But listen, this not funny joke only. This is danger. Every American who puts savings in 401k, college fund, or Robinhood app already play this game. Tribe chase firefly, sometimes whole village burn down. Remember Tulip Mania? Okay, maybe you not remember, no caveman alive then. But in 1600s, Dutch humans trade one flower bulb for more money than house in New York would cost today. Whole bubble pup. Many cry. Fast forward America 2008. Tribe build giant hut made of mortgage paper. Everybody cheer. Then paper hut burned down. $8 trillion poof. Gone like smoke in night. Families lose homes, jobs, future. You think lesson learned? Ha! Then come meme stock BBQ. Your neighbor brag. I turned $500 into $50,000 with Dogecoin. You sip cheap beer, feels small. Heart race. You buy late. Price crash. Now coin worth less than grill set. Same bug, different glow. This is why Garucha talk now. Because irrational investing, not story of ancient fools. It's story of modern America. Every time tribe rushed together, bubble grew, bubble burst. Tribe left with ashes. You me neighbor all can lose shirt, house, even family peace. So pay attention, tribe. Fireflies look pretty but not feed you. And if you chase wrong bug, you not only lose dinner, you lose tomorrow. Now tribe sit closer. Garucha tell big tale. Humans think bubbles are new, but truth. Bubbles older than fire pit. First story, Tulip Mania, 1630s, far land called Holland. Humans there love flower bulb. Pretty flower, yes. But price go crazy. One bulb trade for house by canal. Same as buying flour at Home Depot today for price of Manhattan condom. Tribes sell cows, land, even future children's bread just to own tulip. Then pop bubble burst. Many cry, many broke. Only flower left to smell. Jump many moons forward. 1999. America in .com fever. Internet brand new. Humans excited. Every company with .com in name worth gold, even if they sell nothing. Garucha tell you there was company called Pets.com. They sell dog food online, had funny sock puppet on TV. Stock worth $300 million one moment, then boom, vanish. Sock puppet no save tribe. Thousands lose savings. Then come housing bubble. Early 2000s, America build huts of paper mortgages. Tribe believe house always go up. Neighbors brag. My house doubled, I refinance, buy truck, buy boat. Garucha say, if neighbor brag too much, danger near. 2008 whole hut collapse. Biggest crash since Great Depression. Families forced out of homes. U-Haul trucks line streets. Dreams gone. Dump T21 GameStop bubble. One small store selling video games, closing more shops than opening. Stock worth more than Best Buy for a moment. Why? Not profit, not growth. Because internet tribe on Reddit shout, buy, old, to the moon. Price rocket, then fall back to earth. Many stuck with stock worth less than used Xbox controller. And let's not forget crypto coins. Shiny new fireflies with dog faces. Garucha see many Americans put whole paycheck into magic internet coin because TikTok kid dance and say, next Bitcoin. Some win, many lose. By 2022, whole crypto market wipe out trillions. Same story again. Chase glow, get burned. History, not new. It repeat like campfire song. Tulip.com, housing, meme stock, crypto. Different costume, same dance. Humans always believe this time is different, but no. Same brain, same firefly chase. Only question, do you follow tribe into forest or stay by steady fire? Now tribe, Garucha tell secret. Bubble not only in market, bubble live inside your skull. Yes, your brain is bubble factory. Why? Because brain wired for survival, not investing. In old times, when tribes saw others run, you run too. If mammoth appear, you hesitate, you become mammoth lunch. So herd instinct save life. But in market, herd instinct kill wallet. Science humans, smart elders like Daniel Kahneman and Amos Tversky prove it. They call it prospect theory. Translation: your brain fear losing $100 more than it enjoy winning $100. Fear of loss is twice as strong as joy of gain. That fear push you to follow herd. Even when herd run off cliff, then there's dopamine, little brain juice. When you see others make quick money, your brain release dopamine like campfire spark. Feels good, addictive. You see tribe member brag on TikTok, I made $10,000 in 1 week trading options. Your brain scream, you behind, you miss feast. So you jump in late, hoping to grab mammoth meat. But often, meat already gone, only bones left, and don't forget social proof. If everyone doing it, brain think it must be right. In caveman times, if whole tribe gather berries, you not want to be the only fool picking rocks. So you copy. Today, if Reddit, CNBC, TikTok, and even your uncle at Thanksgiving say, bye, bye, you feel crazy to stay out. But remember, tribe can be wrung together. Think about 2008 housing bubble. Neighbors refinance, buy trucks, buy boats. You see everyone getting rich on house paper. You feel dumb if you don't join. That pressure, that's brain wiring, not financial wisdom. So truth is simple, tribe. Your biggest enemy in investing is not Wall Street. It's not hedge fund billionaire. It's your own brain, tricked by fear, greed, and herd. Brain that once saved you from tiger now push you into market bubble. Tribe, listen close. This is the part where fire get hottest. Because every bubble, no matter how big, no matter how shiny, it always pop, always look back. Year 1929. America party big. Jazz, champagne, stock market sky high. Then Black Tuesday. Stock prices fall like mammoth off cliff. Families lose farms, jobs, futures. Great Depression begin. Whole tribes suffer for decade. Fast forward, 2008. Garuchas see America build huts out of mortgage paper. Everyone saying house always go up. Bank chiefs dance with golden coins. But truth? Paper hut week. Crash come. In just months, Americans lose $8 trillion. U-Haul trucks line streets. Kids ask why we leave house, dad. Answer, because bubble burst. And even closer, crypto winter 2022. 1 week, humans brag about becoming millionaires on digital coins. Next week, market wipe out $2 trillion. Garuchas see Uber drivers, teachers, even grandmas buy into shiny coin atop, only to watch it vanish like smoke. Hedge fund chiefs survive. Small tribe members cry. This is pattern tribe. Bubble rise slow like balloon filled at campfire. But when it pop fast. Years to inflate, weeks to collapse, and the cruel part, it's never the rich chief who lose everything. It's the small tribe, the worker, the saver, the mom with college fund. They carry pain, they pay price. So remember, every time tribes say, this time different, Garucha shake head. Because no matter if Tulip.com, housing, meme stock, or crypto coin, crash always come. And when it come hard. You not want to be the one holding shiny bug when it turn to ash. After all this doom and crash, Garucha not leave you in ashes. No, Garucha give torch of wisdom. Because smart investing not about chasing shiny bug, it about keeping steady fire. First, remember this. Bubbles run on emotion, not numbers. When neighbor brag at BBQ, when TikTok shout to the moon. That is warning sign, not invitation. If everyone rush one way, step back. They're going to glow, feed me or trick me. Second, boring is beautiful. Real wealth grows slow like oak tree. Steady saving in 401k, index fund, diversified basket. This not sexy, but it keep tribe warm for winters. Garucha say, better slow-cooked meat by fire than running hungry after bug. Third, listen to old wisdom. Great American elder Warren Buffett say, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Don't chase hype when crowd cheer danger near. When crowd panic, maybe that time to hunt. And finally, stay humble. Market not care about your feelings. Market not reward ego. You cannot outsmart every twist, but you can outlast. So tribe, next time firefly dance, remember steady fire cook food, warm family, protect night. Firefly just glow then vanish. You choose? Be fool who run into dark forest, or be wise one who sit by fire, calm, patient, building true wealth. That's all. Fire almost out, but wisdom still warm. So click that red button. Yes, subscribe, or Garucha Sade. Garucha vanishes now.